Welcome aboard. Imagine stepping into your very own virtual control room, where every booking, every guest message, and every payment is right at your fingertips. That's the magic of Hostaway. Whether you're managing a single cozy cabin or an entire portfolio of city apartments, Hostaway is designed to make your rental business run like clockwork. In this guide, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to set up, automate, and grow your listings, all while keeping things simple and stress-free. But before I get deep into it, I will ask you for a simple favor. Please like and subscribe to this channel. I will really appreciate. Okay, let's get into it. Imagine this. You've just signed up for Hostaway and you're staring at the dashboard for the first time. It's sleek, clean, and surprisingly inviting. You can almost feel the possibilities, bookings, automation, revenue, all flowing from this single hub. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Step 1. Get to know Hostaway's superpowers. Think of Hostaway as your all-in-one control center for vacation rental success. It manages your reservations with a PMS built to keep everything organized. It syncs your listings across Airbnb, Booking.com, VRBO, and more instantly. It keeps all your guest messages, email, SMS, WhatsApp in one inbox. It shows your performance stats in real time. And yes, it even lets you create your own direct booking website so you can skip OTA fees. Ask yourself, if I could automate half my workload, what would I do with the extra time? Step 2. Let's add your first property. Here's where the magic begins. Click Add Listing and fill in the property details, description, amenities, images, pricing. Now, connect your channels so the calendar updates everywhere instantly. Think of it as telling Airbnb, Booking.com, and VRBO, we're all going to play nicely now. Step 3. Talk to your guests like a pro. Your first inquiries will start rolling in. Don't panic, you've got the unified inbox. All messages land here. No switching apps or juggling tabs. Want to impress guests? Set up automated welcome notes and check-in instructions. Add a personal touch. Use quick reply templates so you're fast and friendly. Pro tip, send a warm, personal message right after booking. It makes a big difference. Step 4. Automate the busy work. Hostaway doesn't just help you respond. It works ahead of you. Schedule cleaning tasks for your housekeeper automatically after checkout. Set up payment reminders so you never chase a guest again. Automate review requests so your profile stays glowing without you lifting a finger. Imagine this. You wake up to find new bookings, confirmed payments, and cleanings already scheduled before your coffee's even brewed. Step 5. Keep an eye on the numbers. You don't have to guess how your rentals are doing. Hostaway tells you. See your occupancy rate at a glance. Track revenue trends month by month. Create owner reports in seconds if you manage properties for others. Here's the challenge. Check your performance dashboard at the end of your first week and spot one thing you can improve. Step 6. Claim your direct bookings. Why give OTAs a big chunk of your earnings if you can take bookings directly? Build your own booking website in minutes. Everything, availability, prices, and messages, syncs automatically. Add it to your email signature, social media, or even a QR code in your property. Step 7. Get help when you need it. Even the best hosts need backup. Use the Help Center for step-by-step guides. Jump into 24/7 support chat when you're stuck. Watch quick tutorial videos. They're like cheat codes for your business. Your first week with Hostaway, if we're doing this together. Day 1. Add your first property, sync channels. Day 2. Create automated guest messages. Day 3. Explore your inbox and reply to a test inquiry. Day 4 to 5. Check your dashboard stats. Weekend. Launch your direct booking website. By the end of week 1, you'll feel like you've got a mini booking empire at your fingertips. Final thought. Hostaway isn't just a tool. It's your co-host, your assistant, and your booking strategist all rolled into one. The sooner you start automating, the sooner you start focusing on what matters, growing your business, and keeping guests happy. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I will be bringing you more insights on various productivity tools. This is a Minute with AI. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. Until next time, it's bye for now.